Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bubble CPAP. First, gather all necessary equipment, including your gas source, air oxygen blender, humidifier, and the Bubble CPAP circuit with its bubble bottle. Proper assembly is crucial for delivering effective respiratory support to infants. We will go through each step carefully, ensuring every component is correctly positioned and secured for optimal function and patient safety. Now, let's assemble the main circuit. Begin by connecting your oxygen and air supply lines to the blender. Next, attach the blender's mixed gas outlet to the inlet port of your humidifier. Then, connect the inspiratory and expiratory limbs of the CPAP circuit to their respective ports on the humidifier. Make sure these connections are snug to prevent any leaks, which could compromise the delivered pressure. Next, we prepare the bubble bottle, which is essential for generating the positive and expiratory pressure. Carefully fill the bottle with sterile water, ensuring the water level reaches the marked fill line. Then, connect the expiratory limb of the patient circuit to the inlet port on the bubble bottle. The depth of the expiratory limb below the water surface determines the pressure, so adjust it precisely to achieve the prescribed 5 to 8 centimeters of water pressure. Finally, connect the system to the patient. Securely attach the appropriate patient interface, like nasal prongs or a mask, to the infant. Once connected, observe the bubble bottle for consistent bubbling, which confirms that positive pressure is being delivered. Continuously monitor the infant's breathing, heart rate, and oxygen saturation. Ensure the infant is comfortable and the system is functioning effectively, making any necessary adjustments to maintain optimal support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.